This is me, an average brown guy who also happens to like boobs. So today I wanted to see what happens if I swipe right on literally every single girl on Tinder. Mind you, this is what the average white guy looks like on this app. So let's see if I even stand a chance of getting a single match with a girl, or if I'll have to spend the night by myself once again.
Alright boys, this is what my account looks like. I'm gonna show you my pictures real quick. This is so haram, bro. So this is me, as you can see, a nice little selfie back shot, you know what I mean? Pause. And then we got this, me like just like little happy boy, you know, happy brown boy. And then we got this one, you know, I'm throwing some gang sounds, you know, trying to show that I'm part of the gang, you know what I mean? I ain't in a gang, bro. I live in the suburbs. And then this is me, you know. What can I say, bro? All black. Then I've got me in my car, you know, my whip. And then it's Hello Kitty, because my best friend told me that girls like Hello Kitty, so we're gonna see what happens. Oh, this is so haram. Bro, I'm gonna be completely honest. Even if I was like the sexiest man on the planet, I wouldn't go on Tinder, because my life goal is not to bang whatever moves, you know what I mean? That's not my life goal. I don't want to stick my stick into anything that moves. So Tinder is haram for me, bro. This is so haram. 3, 2, 1. Gonna swipe. Oh, hell no. Fatherless behavior. I wanna do left. I gotta do right. Bruh. Finna just no looking. Alright, let's get it. Finna just. Oh my god, I swapped right on the freaking ad. They trying to sneak attack the ad. What the frick? Piss off. Haram. Ooh, boobs. Haram. Bro, these freaking ads. What? You gotta pay? Wait, what? Man, f this. I ain't paying for this shit. Oh my goodness, bro. What am I swiping at? I swear I've seen like 3 dudes already. This video better go viral, bro. Bro, I ain't even gonna lie. Like, why are all these girls white and blonde, bro? Like, what? Like, look, white and blonde. Look, what the fuck? Ah, this is so fatherless activity, bro. God damn, it's always a fridge protecting the snack, bro. Oh my god. I just swiped right on someone from my school. Oh my. Oh shit. Oh my. Oh no.
Oh, what the heck? I don't know when to swipe right on this, bro.
I did it, mommy. I did it. Ew. Oh, I got a match. Yo, what the? Yo, I got a match. Yo. The baby, don't you come my way. Yo, we got a match. Let's see. We're at the end, yes! Oh my god, finally! Yes, bro, we ran out of women, yes! That's the first time I've heard myself say that. We ran out of women, yes, bro! This is the most degenerate I've ever felt in my entire life. I've swiped on every single girl. We're gonna see what happens tomorrow. If I wake up with hoes, or if I wake up with...
no hoes.
The next day.
Alright boys, so it's 24 hours later. This is day 2. I'm gonna go on Tinder right now and see how many matches I got. I'm a part-time Rizzler, full-time comedian, so I expect me to get at least 20, 30, 40 matches. You know what I mean? Let's get it. Alright, you know what? For this special occasion, your boy finna wear the Rizzler glasses. I can't actually see anything from this because it's not prescription lens, so I can't actually see. So it's like, I see 2 cameras. Am I recording with 2 cameras? Hello? Hello? 3, 2, 1. Ooh! Yo, what the fuck? Yo! Ooh, what the frick? Yo! Hold on. Let's review. So. Ooh, wait. We're cooking. Hold on. Yo. Okay, you know what I mean? Valid. Yeah, yes, sir. What? It was so big. Oh, there's only one good-looking one. Chantel, I can tell you never went to the gym, bro. What the fuck? Okay, no. So, yeah, she valid. What the hell? Red Riding Hood? What the fuck? Yo! no. No, man. I want to kill my mom. I want to kill my dad. Oh, hell no. She looks like she's part of the LGBTBC. ABCDFG. Yeah, she valid. She valid. Boy, what the hell? Bro, what the? Why am I getting all these freaking Halloween costumes? What the fuck? Okay, yeah, nah. Yeah, nah, bro, yeah, this app lost the plot, bro. Oh, hell no. After literally swiping every single go on this app, I only got 17 matches. And out of those 17 matches, 3 I find attractive. Out of 17! Bro, what KD is that? That's like a 0.003 KD. What the fuck? I'm not gonna lie, I kind of expected that. But you know what I also did? So there's this famous YouTuber called Hamza. You probably heard of him, right? Like, he's the biggest YouTuber in the self-improvement niche. And when he started his self-improvement journey, he basically looked exactly like me. So he was chopped like me, you know, not muscular and broke. But he put in the work and now he's jacked, rich, and so attractive. So I used him as an experiment. You know, me getting Tinder and doing this experiment, I kind of already knew that I wasn't about to get any matches because I'm just an average dude right now, you know? So I took some of Hamza's best pictures and actually made a fake account with his images on that profile. And I did this because I want to show you that if you put in the hard work for a few years and completely forget about goals and just focus on making yourself successful and attractive like Hamza did, Tinder will be on easy mode compared to if you're just using Tinder as a regular guy like me and you're playing this game on hardcore. Okay, so this was the account that I made. These are all his Instagram photos. Literally, I literally just took it off his Instagram. I genuinely just made the account. I didn't even swipe on a single goal. Let's see. I have no idea. Okay, let's see how many matches he got. Did he get any? No! Bro, this guy got more matches than me literally paying for the app and swiping every goal. What the fuck? This dude literally got more matches than me sitting here swiping every single goal. What the fuck? Yo, this literally proves that if you just put in the work and become attractive, you can get the goals without doing anything. I literally just made the account and just went offline. And what the fuck? And you know why I used Hamza in this example is because this is what he used to look like. This is what all average people look like. This is how I look like currently. He just put in the work. Look at this shit, bro. 26 matches without doing anything. If you just disappear for a while and just put in the work, you're not gonna struggle. You're literally gonna be living life on easy mode. This experiment was so much proof. I literally sat here for the whole day swiping on every single goal, only to get like 17 matches and only 3 of them were attractive. He literally just sat with the account not even active and he got 26 matches. Yo, I was literally about to sit here and edit this video, right? I went on the Tinder account that I made with Hamza's thing. Dude, I instantly got 3 matches. The first 3 swipes I did instantly matched, bro. Okay, I'm gonna swipe right. I told you. Bro, I told you. Oh my god. I'm just gonna swipe right. Bro, what the fuck? Oh my god. Bro, if you put in the work, this shit is easy mode. Okay, I'm gonna swipe. Ready? Being attractive is so broken. Nah, this doesn't make sense. This is all you gotta do. Just put it in the work. And another thing that I noticed from this experiment is that Tinder will actually start showing you uglier girls when you use the app more. They do this because if pretty girls don't swipe on you, you get discouraged and you actually end up deleting the app. Like, think about that, right? None of the pretty girls are swiping on you, so you'll be like, oh, this app doesn't work, and you just delete it. So Tinder is smart and it actually starts to show you ugly girls, so you eventually get matched with someone and then you're like, oh my gosh, this app actually works, you know, let me just stay on this app longer. This is a tactic that Tinder uses to make ugly men stay on this app for longer. So if you use Tinder, check your feed right now, and if there's whales on your feed, I'm sorry to say, my friend, but you might be chopped. Stop sitting here using Tinder if you're getting no matches. Like, why would you waste your time playing the game on hardcore when you can literally just put that same time into building yourself so then you can play the game on easy mode later? So the moral of the story, it's not worth going on dating apps as an average or ugly guy because these are the people you're competing with. But what I will say is just put in the hard work, put in the time, so then when you do go on these apps, you're one of these people. And if you want to reach out to me and, you know, ask questions, blah, 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 I see so many people commenting. I can't reply to every comment. So just join the Discord in the description, and yeah, I'll see you in there. Follow me on Instagram, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this experiment, and I'll see you next one. Alright, peace.